Mass of 6 kg is suspended by a rope of length 2 meters from the ceiling. A force of 15 Newton in the horizontal direction is applied in the midpoint P of the rope. Something like this. What is the angle the rope makes with the vertical in equilibrium? So basically, if I happen to draw a line like this, that's your vertical line, and this makes some angle theta, or you can also think of in this way. This is angle theta. Okay. So now what you are trying to do is we are trying to figure out the angle theta over here. Given the condition is that yes, you have this entire system to be in equilibrium. So this is 90 degree and this entire angle is 180 plus theta. And this entire angle is 180 minus theta. Wait, sorry. No, this is 90 plus theta. That's what I meant. Is this correct? Or did I make any mistake again? This is okay, right? This is perfect. So what are we looking at? We are looking at three forces that are equilibrium. So we know the condition, right? So basically, if I take the force 1 and the sine of the angle opposite to that, this will be equal to F2 sine of theta 2, and this will be equal to F3 sine of theta 3. This is from what? Yes, Lamy's theorem. So in this case, F1 I can take it as 6 into 10. Right, this is mass, by the way. The force over here is correct, 60. And opposite to that is sine of 90 plus theta is equal to F2. I can take it as 50. This will be sine of 180 minus theta. This is equal to this value they have not asked us to find, so I'll just write it off though. Sine of, how much is this? Opposite to that is 90. Now further simplification will give us what? This is 60. This is cos theta. This is 50 sine theta. And this is F3. So we have basically two unknowns and we can get two equations. Let's see if we can solve this. So if I take up the first and the last expression, so F3 is equal to 60 by cos theta, and no, that won't help. Okay, what is that I'm missing? So tan theta is 5 by 6. Oh yeah, that's it. What am I doing? We just need theta, na? We don't need. So from first and second expression, we have 60 by, or 50 by 60 actually. 50 by 60 will be equal to tan theta. And theta is tan inverse of 5 by 6. Tan inverse of 5 by 6 is, yeah, in exam you have to write tan inverse of 5 by 6 if you don't have log books. And that would be the answer. If not, you need to use your logbook. So 39.8 degree. Have they asked? I think find the angle, neglecting the mass. That's it. They not asked the force, right? Force. Okay, if they ask the force, and you guys can write it. It's simple substitution.